What marketing tools does my small business need? What does my small business need to be able to get myself to be able to rank inside of Bing, get myself to be able to rank inside of Google, get myself to be able to rank on Apple Maps and rank across the voice search networks like Alexa, Siri, Cortana, and the list goes on. They keep adding more and more to that. How do I get myself to rank, and what tools can I use to be able to get myself to rank on those networks and optimize it even better? That isn't going to take a lot of time. It isn't going to take a lot of energy. That's not going to take tech skills to be able to go and do. Well, Simply Be Found is one of those tools. We designed it to where it's very simple. It does not take tech skills to be able to do it. It's for our average user or our average member is over the age of 60 years old, which is amazing that they were able to come in and get it done. So you might be in the younger generation, but we're still simple to be able to use. We get straight to the meat and potatoes. You're able to do your posts. You're able to do all the content that you want to be able to do from the platform, your questions and answers, and it walks you through every step of the way. And if you have questions, you can just contact us and we'll help you be able to work through any issues or any questions you have along the way. So when it comes to marketing tools, you have to make sure you are focused on being able to use the right ones that are going to be able to do the job for you. You want them to be able to log in, make it fast, to be able to get your job done, not be complicated. Our platform takes about 5 to 10 minutes per day to be able to log in, or about an hour a week to get everything you need done to be able to rank inside of those platforms. So check us out, simplybefound.com, and see the difference today.